Meaning of indiscernible.
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 Indiscernible. Indiscernible means that something cannot be distinguished or recognized due to a lack of clear differences. It is often used to describe objects, characteristics, or qualities that are very similar or identical to one another and cannot be easily distinguished. When something is indiscernible, it means that it cannot be identified or differentiated from other things that are similar. This can lead to confusion or difficulty in determining specific details or characteristics. Overall, indiscernible describes a state of similarity or sameness that makes identifying or distinguishing something difficult or impossible.